Hey everyone, Max here with Tripak. Today we're going to be talking about a new product that I'm super excited about called Deep Blue Chain Conditioner. Now this product is unique. It's formulated with our AFMT, and we did a demo on that earlier. So you can click the link below and you can see that one. So this product, basically it penetrates, cleans and protects your whole chain, leaving behind an extreme pressure barrier. So even when it's dry, it's gonna keep that chain lubricated for a longer period of time than your conventional chain lube. So we're gonna get started here with a competitor, and we're gonna see how much pressure it can take on the machine, and then all we're gonna do is spray this down and see where we can go with it. So basically, I'm gonna spray this down here first and kind of get some of that on there. And then I'm gonna get started. And it's already got some sound. I'm gonna give this a lot of juice. And we're gonna start adding these 2-pound weights. All right, so we stopped at 3. Actually, I'm gonna keep this going here. Now all we're gonna do, it's got a bunch of metal filings there. We're gonna just spray this down with Deep Blue. And you can hear that metal grinding, but it's gonna smoothen out again. Sorry, we got a little bit on there. We're gonna let that condition the metal and get worked in there real nice and deep. And then we're just gonna keep adding to it and see how far we can go. Now I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. This is like as if you're gonna, end of the day, you gotta recondition your chain, spray it down again. So we're halfway there, we're gonna keep going. A few more, give it another shot. All right, so that's all 12 weights. As you can see, this product here stalled out at 3 weights. Deep Blue, we didn't even change the bearing, we just added to it. All right, so that shows you what Deep Blue can do. Now we've taken this test to the extreme. You're never gonna see that much pressure in the field on your chain, but that shows you the benefits of running Deep Blue on your chains and equipment. And now if you're looking for an easy way to remember this product, nothing sticks to Deep Blue. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. And remember, if it moves, Tripak it.